Are you ready to add additional funds to your GruntWorx account balance? Log into the GruntWorx dashboard. Come up here in the top right to Add to Balance. Notice when you hover the pointer over the Add to Balance, your current balance will pop up. When you're ready to add more, click that icon, type in the amount you wish in whole numbers, hit Add to Cart. From here, go to Checkout. Once you've confirmed that's the amount you want, Checkout. Make sure your billing address is correct. Hit Continue. Finally, verifying that everything is the way you want it, type in your credit card or debit card information and click Submit Order. Your GruntWorx account balance should be updated almost immediately.